Hey, welcome back, lawn lovers. BW here. Hey, it's springtime now, and I can't remember what I was going to say. Welcome back, lawn lovers. BW here. Hey, it's springtime now, and it's time to put down that pre-emergent. I applied my crabgrass pre-emergent on April 25th. You can find out when the optimum time is for you to apply your pre-emergent by using the Michigan State University Growing Degree Days tracker online. I'll put a link to that site in the description of this video below. You can use any fertilizer that contains a pre-emergent crabgrass preventer. I chose to use this Enhanced Efficiency Fertilizer with pre-emergent from Greenview because it slowly feeds the lawn all the way into summer without causing excess growth. That's particularly important for someone like me that mows some or all of the lawn short with a reel mower. Keeping a short lawn healthy requires frequent mowing as it is, and I don't want to turn my twice-a-week lawn into an every other day lawn. Most crabgrass pre-emergents will control a host of other weeds as well as crabgrass. This product is not safe for grass seed and will prevent grass seed and weed seeds from growing well into the summer, so don't use a product like this anywhere that you may want to plant grass seed. Depending on the rate of application, it should wear off in time for fall seeding. I shot this video of me applying my pre-emergent last spring, but spring comes so late here that I can't get my video out in time for you to see it before you need to do your lawn. So I waited until now to show it to you in time for your next application this spring. I applied this product at the bag rate, or 3.4 pounds per thousand, which the product label says will give me 3 to 4 months of protection and wear off in time for me to plant grass seed by August 25th. I planted my renovation 4 months and 1 week later on August 31st this year, and I may have cut it too close. I'm beginning to wonder if it may have affected my renovation. I had poor germination in my renovation this year compared to previous years, and it was more pronounced in the lowest lying areas where more pre-emergent may have migrated with pooling water. I should have played it safer and applied it at a lower rate so that it would have worn off sooner. I may not even use pre-emergent on the area I want to renovate this year and see if I can get better grass seed germination without it, or at least apply it at a lower rate that will wear off quicker. Going without a weed preventer shouldn't be a problem, because I'll be killing all the grass and weeds before seeding the renovation anyway. I also won't be using this product on any areas that I dormant seeded last fall. I'll be using a starter fertilizer with weed preventer safe for grass seed on the dormant seeding this spring. Be sure to read the product label of the pre-emergent you decide to use. It'll tell you what rates to use and how long they last. Even spreading of the pre-emergent is very important. Areas that get too little will wear off too soon, and areas that get too much may last longer than you want it to. To ensure even coverage, I like to apply half of the product in one direction and the other half at a right angle to the first application in a checkerboard pattern. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and then ring the bell next to it so you don't miss any new videos. And remember, you can do it.